How to create a Patreon account. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a new account on your Patreon. First thing you want to do is go to your web browser, click on the search bar and simply search for Patreon. Hit enter, and then you can just simply head over to your search. Now just go ahead and click on the first link and go to patreon.com. If you already have an account, you can click on login and simply log into your account. I'll just go ahead and click on get started for now. All right, so once I click here, it's going to ask me to sign up with Google account, Apple ID, or Facebook. You could also additionally continue with your email. So I'll just quickly do that. Now enter a valid email address and click on continue. Now, since your email is connected to your Google account, you can just click on this and then simply try to sign up with your Google account. I'll just quickly do this. Enter your creator name. So let's just do that and click on continue. So if you are a creator, you can just do that. And if you want to join as a fan, you can do that as well. Click on it and you should be able to sign in without any problem. So that is about it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.